Here's something I want to share with you. That is, when a problem arises, we have several major steps. If you follow these 5 steps, basically you can get a successful solution to this problem. First, analyze the cause of the problem. Identify the people involved. Who are the people involved? Second, find out multiple solutions. There are 4 solutions, A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can classify them as the first choice, the second choice, and the last choice. Surely the first choice must be preferred. What is the reason for your preference? I hope that you also write down the reason for the first choice clearly, as well as the reason for the second choice. The middle and senior management report to me. The grassroots workers report to your supervisor. It's all the same thing. It's all the same method. Third, we need to set up a time frame for solving the problem. And the responsible person, the problems has come out. We have to solve it, right? Let's figure out the solution. Do you want a timeline? Who are the people involved? We need to work it out. Fourth, we must monitor the implementation and follow up to the end. Supervisors must monitor the implementation and follow up to the end. Fifth, we need to check the result. After the result is accepted, we will know how to deal with the problem next time, and the result should be organized and filed so that the problem won't come out again. Take the customs declaration code of white teeth stamping machine for example. After this problem happened, now we have a clear idea of the solution. Then we have to organize and file the code. And we will know which code we should use for this machine in future, and we do not have to pay another tax. These are the things that need to be solved and need to be filed, so that we could avoid the same mistake next time. That's all.